Milka Cookie Sensations Oreo Cream Filling. Milka Enrobed White. Oreo O's. Oreo Crunchies. Golden Oreo. Oreo Double Creme 2 times Cream. Alrighty, so here we go, junkfoodtaster.com, and after we saw all these products getting opened, I will taste test them. Yeah, this was sort of, this is like a sister video of the press test experimental video. And yeah, hey, I'm just preparing the Oreo O's. So second time. Last time I didn't like it. Let's see. Yeah, I put in this stuff. Has a new lid. Look at this. Is this the right? That must be right. Alrighty. This is awesome. Awesome new lid. So I put the stuff in. I let it soften. I taste this later. So, now here come all the products. It's already fall off the table. This is called Oreo Crunchies, and I'm not sure. Let's have it. I think I tried first time. This is like a miniature version of Oreo. This is exactly what it is. So, now I have a mess now. I have all these empty packages lying around. Don't know what is what. So this must be golden. We also search for coated. Okay, I think this is coated. And double. Okay. It has something. Yeah, it's easier to eat than the original in terms of chewing it down. So this is double cream, and yeah, this packaging, and here golden. Yeah, this review is a little bit disturbed. This happens when you produce two videos out of one product. Okay, this is golden, and now it's coated one, enrobed white. And I looked this up. So enrobed is not a really English word. They invented it for their product, it seems. Okay. So enrobed white. Yeah, then was the last one, richtig kickig, Milka. So same company, corporation. They have two brands, Milka and Oreo. And then of course they have the crossovers. Okay. Okay, thumbnail time. Then taste test. Or cutten. I should cutten. Then taste test. Okay. Here we go. Maybe I should also put like the word Oreo somewhere in the thumbnail. Like this maybe. Okay, cutter time. Let's get a nice knife. And a nice cutting board. Is this clean? No. Alrighty, here we go. Time for the mask cut. And I go from small to big and I line it up in an orderly fashion, of course. So in the smallest things are these cereals. There are actually two. So this and this. This will be fun, I think. So then is this bigger than this? Okay, so this is thicker. So I'm getting the golden. After I take the golden, I cut the enrobed. And finally, the biscuit here. I hope it's still good. I opened the thing a while ago. But then I put this refrigerator bag around. I hope it helped a little bit. Anyways, this looks like modern art, doesn't it? And I really want to align the picture here. So I'm getting an aesthetic channel. It's not about food anymore, it's just about aesthetic organization of objects. This looks great. Alright, I destroy everything now. I always cut stuff. This is very crunchy. I also saw on the press test video. Okay. I zoom in after I've cutted everything. Now the miniature Oreo. Oreo Golden. Oreo Double. Okay, this is sort of satisfying. Oreo White. Okay, this is like the most sophisticated. And now the cookie, a Milka Cookie with filling. And okay, let's have a look. Okay, what is the closest I can zoom in? This, okay. So this has no filling, it's very crunchy. Here we got the crushed mini Oreo with a little bit of cream. Okay. And here you go, the golden. The double stuff or double cream. And enrobed. This was also on a press test, very interesting, because like the outside coating was like pushed away and then it crushed. And here we go, it's a cookie. And here of course we want to see the filling. So I try to open this up here. Here we go, only on my channel. So yeah, let me know whether you think what is better. Just OG cotton or the press test. Anyways, it's tasting time, and I taste test. Now I have this. This can make a good before-after video. Okay. I post this before and after cutting. So here we go. This is now must be softened. I get myself a nice spoon and eat it. Last time was terrible. I don't know whether I changed the recipe in the time between. Let's see. Let's wait for the finish. I think the problem was the finish. It seems kind of fine now. So this got me thinking now. This is like ordinary cereal, nothing special. Maybe the last one was a production fail and they forgot the ingredient or something, and this is why it tasted so strange. This one is this black donut got a little bit of taste. Super slight cacao taste. And the white stuff. Tastes like nothing. So this, I think it's raw. And look at this, I got other cereals here. I actually bought this for private consumption. I think I will make this a standalone video for Tuesday. Oh, this looks awesome. I need this. I need awesome reviews, not boring ones. I need this 4 bars right now. Anyways, but this episode right now is very fancy, isn't it? So many nice Oreo products. I rate this drawn. Now the mini Oreos. I take it. I hope there's not too much milk everywhere here. Big minus that the back is not reclosable. I don't get the point. I think okay, the point could be that there is actually a point. So if you eat smaller size, you don't have so many little pieces flying around. And I also think it's nice for decoration if you got cakes and want to decorate and you don't want to put a big Oreo cookie on the cake, but just a small one. It's more functional. So I definitely see a purpose here. So I rate this win. So next one, golden. Where's the packaging from golden? Anyway, so this is what I eat. So that you can have, whilst I'm eating it, you have a look and you're not distracted. Now eating it. I don't know, I have it raw, but I don't know. Like the classic Oreo vibe is missing, but therefore you have like intense baking vibe, intense classical cookie vibe. Oh, this is, you know, I don't really like this job thinking about ratings and flavors and describing stuff. I withdraw because there are many cookies like this. So, yeah. Next product, Oreo Double Creme. win. I had something to have more cream. Yeah, it gets smoother or like a more slimy experience. Yeah, or creamy. It gets more creamy. It gets more creamy when you have more cream. So I rate this win. So now enrobed. Here we go. Oh, fancy. Fancy product win. Yeah, this is something very decadent. Now the Milka Cookie. Now I need to flush. So I like this one as well. So this is a nice way to illustrate. So this is like a good tasting cookie, but there are so many cookies out there that I have to rate the straw, because something a cookie like this is more fancy. So got the baking vibes, you got the creamy filling, you got this little chocolate spots. So this sort of deserves a win, and this is not up for like avant-garde junk food anymore. So let's flush. I need to flush down all this little dry cookie stuff in the mouth. Okay, my little friends. So now I'm cleaning up the table and then we lock everything. Hey, here we go, logbook time. And we got two different ratings, straw and win. I put this here a little bit. So, starting off with straw, I set golden in the O's, the cereals. And all the other stuff was win, wasn't it? So crunchy was win because has some purpose. And double cream is more cream if you like this. Enrobed is also. And the combination is Milka Cookie is also good. Okay, there we have it. Thursday episode. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. And see you tomorrow, Friday.